And beef meat, but today we're making the version that my family eats around Christmas time. We observe a no meat Christmas Eve, so this is a vegetarian.
Yo, what's up, my people? This is your boy Mobile. Yes, I welcome to my channel. Now, in this video, we are going to watch how Russian borscht is prepared. I took this video from Tasty. That is a very big YouTube channel, so you can check them out. I'll leave their link in the comments in the description below. And you know, of course, I've tried borscht before. That was a long time, and myself, I want to prepare borscht at home, so I feel like this one will be very easy for me to follow. All right, so let's go check it out.
Me learning to cook borscht is just kind of my first step into really understanding this cuisine. Hi, I'm Andrew Ilnicki, and today I'm making my family's borscht recipe. So today we're making borscht, which is a Ukrainian beet soup. My whole family is Ukrainian.
Wait, borscht is not Russian. It's not from Russia. It's from Ukraine. Oh, okay. I thought borscht was Russian soup. My goodness. Okay. Perhaps Ukrainians also have their own borscht soup and Russian soup, but I have to check. But of course, if you know the difference, please write in the comment below. If you think that Russian's borscht soup is different from Ukrainian borscht soup, or it's just the same, all right, everywhere, please write in the comment below.
All of my grandparents were born there. I very much feel like I grew up in a Ukrainian household, so I eat a lot of Ukrainian food. So often borscht is made with beef stock and beef meat, but today we're making the version that my family eats around Christmas time. We observe a no meat Christmas Eve, so this is a vegetarian borscht. So this is way more mushrooms than my mother would ever use. I got a little carried away here. Usually it's 2 or 3 mushrooms, or traditionally 1 left whole, and whoever gets that mushroom has luck for the next year. So when you have dried mushrooms, the first thing you need to do is reconstitute them with a little bit of water. So you'll soak them until they're very soft, and you don't want to discard the liquid either. And growing up, I was always aware that Ukrainian food, Eastern European food, it was not one of the sexy, popular world cuisines. You know, it wasn't French food, it wasn't pasta, pizza, sushi. And it's taken me a long time to really appreciate the nuances of the cuisine and really how big of a scope it is. If you look at that part of the world, it's pretty big. There's a lot of people there eating a lot of delicious food. Me learning to cook borscht is just kind of my first step into really understanding this cuisine. That is my family and my identity. And I remember when I was learning this recipe from my mom, in her pots at home, it works out where when you use this proportion and amounts of vegetables, you just fill the water to the top. So here we just need to submerge the beets, but in hers, you just max out the pot. And I think that's a very Ukrainian immigrant way of thinking. You know, I'm gonna make this borscht, I'm gonna take the time to do it, I'm gonna make it the most delicious as possible. It's great to make a large amount. It's kind of the only quantity you can make with borscht. You just make a lot. Once you've added the water and the beets, you're essentially just cooking everything in stages so that it reaches the right tenderness at the same time. So we're going to cook the potatoes for a few minutes, and when they're soft, we'll add the carrots so that those 2 vegetables kind of come to be perfectly cooked at the same time. If you've ever watched a Tasty video all the way to the end, you might have heard a guy say, "Oh yes," and that's me. This happened during a very early Tasty shoot. It was actually before Tasty was called Tasty, and me and Adam Bianchi, who you might know from the Worth It videos, were working on this all-day breakfast burger. We were reaching the last of the daylight, and so it was either this video was going to come together at this moment or it was not going to happen. When Adam put that final, I think it was a hash brown waffle, on top of the burger and the egg yolk broke in the perfect way, I was just so relieved and so into how delicious this burger was that I exclaimed, "Oh yes." We kept it in the video and eventually became sort of the Tasty sound effect. Borscht can't be beat. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Nice. I think I tried borscht with meat and then bread and then Story show. Well, yeah, but it, you know, this one is different, you know, so that is why I said that. That is why I asked if Russians have their own Borsch and then Ukrainians also have their own Borsch. But of course, I need to research into that. And please, if you know, write in the comment below. But trust me, this one looks tasty, you know. Okay, so very soon you will see me prepare my own Russian food, you know, and then I'll share the video on this channel. All right, so you know, I think that I'm going to cook myself poison very soon, you know. All right, so guys, that is it. If you like the video, please stay tuned, connected, subscribe, comment, recommend, share, like, you know, stay around, man. I've got a lot of videos coming up. My name is Billions, and please check my other videos out. And please don't forget to like this video, and see you soon. My name is Billions. Billions.